we are traveling all along the Kohistan Island Arc, right? Kohistan Island Arc के बारे में साजिद साहब ने कल काफ़ी डिटेल में आपके साथ डिस्कशन की थी. You now know that Kohistan Island Arc is an intra-oceanic arc. It is an intra-oceanic arc which covers around about 36,000 square kilometer area. It lies in between the Indian plate in the south and the Karakoram Eurasian plate in the north, right? So as you cross Indian plate and you start entering to the Kohistan Island Arc, you are supposed to encounter a Milan zone, and that Milan zone is called MMT zone, Mantle Thrust zone, right? On this route we didn't observe MMT zone. We will see that in Swat region, where emerald mineralization, the green schist, the Charbagh green schist, Shangla blue schist will be observed. But here we didn't see that Milan zone, that collisional zone. The reason is that people, the scientists, the geologists says that it has been concealed downward, something like that. So we are somewhere at this location. Okay, this area is there, while at this position we are somewhere, we are in Jijal here, and then further going up we encounter the Sapat and then the Babusar area. Did you get my point? So regional perspective में क्या है? Towards the west we have Dir, and then Swat. यहाँ पे आप you can encounter Swat, then Shangla, और उसके बाद फिर Bisham, और जाते जाते Sapat, Chelas, और further up towards the east you encounter, you see Gilgit. Gilgit is lying towards to the extreme east of the Dir. ठीक है जनाब? अच्छा. At the moment we are standing at an ultramafic lithology, ultramafic unit. This ultramafic unit is called somewhere here. This is a small ultramafic unit, and we call it Toratiga complex. Tora. Base of the Kohistan Island Arc and its counterparts, they are there in Jijal also, which are called Jijal complex.